Robinhood just came out with a new update just 2 days ago, and I heard about this just yesterday. So let's just jump right into it and see what's brand new about this update. So real quick, my portfolio, as you can see, is up to $4,019. I'm gonna save that for another day. Today is just gonna be specifically about the new Robinhood Gold and their brand new update. But the $4,000 portfolio video will be coming out soon, and I'll let you guys know what I've done to get to that amount. Let's just get straight into it. If you guys are brand new to investing, I don't recommend you guys to try out Robinhood Gold. Basically, Robinhood Gold, you are borrowing money that is not yours. You're borrowing money from Robinhood and you have to pay interest on it. And if you guys don't know how to invest or anything like that, you're most likely gonna lose money in the long run. And if you guys are trying to do penny trading with borrowed money, that's not gonna work out. So I don't recommend it if you guys are brand new. But if you have been investing for about a year or so, maybe even less than a year, if you're not a really risky investor, and if you do more swing tradings instead of day trading, Robinhood Gold might be something worth it for you. Basically, this update, they revamped their Robinhood Gold program, as you might call it. So I already switched over. I switched over yesterday when I found out that they did do this brand new update. And I have to say that I'm really enjoying the new update. It's a lot cheaper than before. Before I was paying about $10 for borrowing $2,000, and now I think I'll be paying like maybe $8 to $9 every month. So with the new Robinhood Gold, basically you're paying a premium, a $5 premium minimum for some brand new features such as research, instant transfers, trading on margin, and soon you'll also be getting level 2 trading. So let's go through some of the commonly asked questions so I can give you feedback on some of the answers. So I already answered what is Robinhood Gold. It's a premium feature from Robinhood. If you try it out for your first 30 days, you can get it for free. How much does it cost? It'll cost $5 per month and you'll get all the premium features, and your first $1,000 will also be covered with that $5 premium. And if you're borrowing more money, they'll charge you an interest rate of 5% yearly. And like I was saying before, if you're brand new to investing in general, you should not be trading with margin. So you can actually use Robinhood Gold without doing the margin trading, and you can still use the research feature, the instant transfers feature, and the level 2 trading. Level 2 trading isn't accessible right now, so that's still coming soon. So now you have the added benefit of turning off margin trading, which is Robinhood still commission-free trading. So yes, Robinhood is still commission-free trading. You do not have to join the Robinhood Gold program to have the commission-free trading. That's already built into the platform. How do I downgrade from Robinhood Gold? Basically, you just go into the settings and you can just turn it off. It's really easy. Just look around really quickly, and I might show you that later on in the video. So now let's move on to the more important features of the new Robinhood Gold Premium program. So this is the brand new feature with the new Robinhood Gold. You have professional research from specifically Morningstar. Morningstar is an independent investment research company. They do research on more of the popular stocks on Robinhood. So I'm gonna show you an example of some of the professional research that Morningstar will offer. So this is AT&T. One of my go-to stocks. I'm buying this stock almost weekly right now. It's great for dividends. So if we look at the dividend yield, it's about 7%, but I think it's right now is closer to 6%. If we scroll down just a little bit further, you can see the research report. And this is just a quick snapshot of Morningstar's analysis. Just a quick headline: we remain skeptical of AT&T's strategy, but we like the wireless and media segments. Morningstar rating, 4 out of 5 stars. And this was updated about 5 days ago. Economic moat is narrow. Basically, economic moat refers to how much of a business advantage or competitive advantage a certain company has over every other company within that industry. And the economic moat for AT&T is narrow. So that means it's a small competitive advantage compared to T-Mobile, Verizon. And I think that's it when it comes to American telecommunications. So when it comes to fair value, AT&T's fair value is $37, and AT&T's trading right now at $32.16. So it's well below its fair value mark. You guys can take that for what it is and potentially even profit from that. When it comes to uncertainty and stewardship, it also goes into full details and full analysis. All you have to do is read the full report. I already went through this yesterday, It is very, very detailed. There is a lot of information here. Like, I'm just scrolling through here. You guys can see that this is pages and pages worth of data. This information is most likely publicly available, but Robinhood makes it a lot easier for you to research and do everything through the Robinhood app, which is a brilliant idea in my opinion. So now you guys can benefit from all that research Morningstar does. You can use this and even do your own research on top of this. So how often do the reports come out? Typically they come out when earning calls come out or some big news comes out from that certain stock or company. And to access all those reports, all you have to do is just go into the stocks, scroll down, and look for that gold stamp right next to the report. So when it comes to instant deposits, so now you guys have more access to a bigger instant deposit. Before the update, my instant deposit was roughly around, I think, $1,000, and now this upped my deposit up to $5,000. So this makes it really easy if you want to buy a certain stock right away. Instant deposit really helps. So for every gold user, you have an instant deposit of 5,000, and as your portfolio grows, 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, you'll also reach that next level. And so if you have a $10,000 portfolio value, you can access to 10,000, and so on and so on. So margin investing, you're borrowing money from Robinhood to invest. So this lets you invest more money, your money, and also Robinhood's money, for more potential gains and also more potential losses. And I recommend you guys to have enough money to pay it back before you even borrow it. So make sure you have enough money in your emergency fund or savings to pay them back if you're planning to borrow a lot of money, because trading penny stocks is very risky. Doing any type of investing is very risky, and there is a potential to lose money when it comes to trading in the stock market. How do I pay for margins? So that $5 for the Robinhood Gold, you get $1,000 of margin trading, and anything you borrow above that, you're paying 5% yearly on that. That helped reduce my cost per month. So anything you borrow over that $1,000 limit, you'll be paying 5% yearly on that. So with the new update, you guys can turn off margin if you're not comfortable trading on margin. So to access your margin settings in Robinhood, all you have to do is go into your portfolio tab and go into your settings, Robinhood Gold, and at the top you can see there's like a toggle button that says margin investing on. So you can disable your margin investing by clicking that red prompt there all the way at the bottom that says disable margin investing, and you can even toggle your borrowing limit here. So let's say you want to set a borrowing limit of 3,000. You can see that borrowing limit now is at $3,000. So now you get a lot more control when it comes to your margin investing. So this is really great for beginners. Make sure you set your limits before you start investing. And lastly, level 2 market data. This has not come out on Robinhood yet, but it is coming soon according to them. Not sure when that is. If they do this right, this is really going to take Robinhood to the next level. So I'm going to give you an example of what level 2 data looks like on another application. So I'm going to log into my Binance, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the Binance app. I think Binance does it very well. This is my Binance app, and I'm going to go into the trade section here on the bottom. So on the right side, you can see the asking price, and you can see the selling price. And also here on the bottom left, you can see the spread on the bids and the ask as well. If Robinhood does it, I think it'll look very similar to this. So all this is just basically more tools to help you decide when is the right time for you to sell or buy a certain stock. If you want to use level 2 data, you guys can actually find that on other sites. If you're really into level 2 data and all this price action research and stuff, you guys can download Thinkorswim, and make sure you're using a computer or a desktop or a laptop. Screen's a lot bigger and it'll be a lot easier to read. Doing it on a mobile device, screen's too small. You guys might miss something, especially on the charts, because the charts are so small to read. This update seems very small, but I think this will really help out a lot of the brand new investors that are just jumping into investing in the stock market for the first time. It'll be a lot easier for them to get all that research from Morningstar instead of just not even doing any research at all. I know a lot of beginners are just copying my portfolio or anybody else's portfolio that they're just watching on YouTube. I don't recommend anybody to do that. I think it's better to do your own research because everybody's different. Everybody has different risk tolerance. Other than that, the limit increase, That is a big bonus, especially if one of your stocks go on sale. You guys want to have access to all that money so you can buy that stock on sale and even swing trade or just keep it for the long term. Next is the margin trading. I'm not too much of a margin trader. I think at the moment I'm borrowing about $2,000, and with that $2,000 I'm invested in dividend stocks, and I use the dividend payouts to pay back that margin trading, and I collect the difference. I'll link a video here so you guys can check that out if you're interested in that strategy. And I don't recommend that strategy, especially if you don't have any money to pay back that margin trading if you do start to lose money on your stocks. And when it comes to level 2 data, the more tools you have in your belt is the better, but I'm not too much of a day trader, so I don't really see too much advantage of that for myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed that analysis of the new Robinhood Gold and their brand new update that they just released a few days ago. My name is Bruce Wang again. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe for more content just like this. I come out with at least 3 videos every week. My subscriber base is growing very large, so welcome to all the new subscribers. And hit that bell icon to join the notification squad, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.